Good day everyone, you're welcome to Cat Baron. So this is what we're doing today, a simple assemble. This is what we're doing today. As you can see, axle, the rim and the tire for a wheel loader. So I'll be looking how to, I'll be showing you guys how to assemble it from scratch, as you can see. So I'll assume you have gotten or you know how to do the different parts. So this is what we're doing today, as you can see. First thing first, Control N. I have my part assemble and drawing, so I'll click on assemble and I'll click OK. So I've been able to, I'll come here. So if it's your first time, all I have to do, I'll go to insert component where I kept the particular work I want to do. So first I'll bring an axle rod, okay. I'll bring it down here. But since it's the axle rod, it's fixed, it's not floating, it's not going to be a floating component. So the next thing I'll bring insert component, I'll bring this ring, I'll bring the ring, I'll just drop it here, one. I can also decide to bring the ring again, or I can just hold Ctrl+C. I'll just click on it, click on the body here, I'll click Ctrl+C, and I'll drag it out like this. But if you observe this side, this one is facing somewhere I can insert, but this is on the other part. So all I have to do is to rotate. I'll click here, then move here to rotate component. I'll just rotate it like this, as you can see. Check. So what I want to do now, it has a path it should follow, this axle rod. So watch please. I'll zoom in properly, I'll zoom here, I'll click here, and I'll click on mate. Then where it's supposed to follow, what part? Here. So you get to see, check. Then if you observe, see, it knows the path it should follow, but see, I'm just clicking on it like this. It knows the path it should follow. So now, I want to fix it at a particular point so it doesn't move. I'll click here. Okay, let me cancel this so I'll show you again. You have something like this now. Something like this, you rotate. You have to feel free to rotate. I'll click inside, I'll click on it, I rotate. Then this is the side I will fix. Here, I'll check. So I've been able to click here now, it doesn't move away. But if you see this now, it can move anywhere. So all I have to do now again, the path, click here, click mate. Then I'll click here, still follow the path. Then what's the next? It has to move like this, or it will move like this. So the next thing, I'll click here, then I'll click this part. Yeah, check, meet. I have something like this now. So they are all fixed now. I can just rotate them together. So what's the next thing for me to do? For me to put in the insert component again. I know where the component is. Tyre. I click open. So I'll drop this tire here. One. Then I'll click on the tire. I'll hold Ctrl+C on my keyboard. Then I'll drag it out. I have something like this now. Now this is properly positioned, but the name is here. Then now this is not properly positioned, so I'll click here as I told you earlier. I'll click here and I'll rotate. And see, I'll just turn it. I'll click on it and turn the part. And now as you can see this, that it knows it has a path it should follow again. So I'll click here and I'll click on mate and I'll click here. Check, it knows the path it should follow, as I said earlier. Then you have to fix it. So what's the next thing? I want to fix it. I'll click here, one. I want to fix it to this particular side. Watch. Please watch here. Check. So if I tap Ctrl+7, I've been able to do something like this now. So now the next thing, I'll click here, click on mate. Knows the path it should follow again. I'll click here, then I'll check. I have something like this now. But the same procedure again, it has, it knows the path it's supposed to follow, but it has not been fixed. So all I have to do is I can click here, I'll click here, and I'll click on mate, and I'll click here, I'll check. So I've been able to do a simple assembly on a wheel loader, guys. So now you can see that I'm able to assemble them so that it's not hard. It's just for us to understand how this SolidWorks works. When you come here, you see the front view, you have something like this. You just click on the longest keyboard, you have something like this. So you click this, even if you want to display it on double screens like this one, now we have something like this. We have something like this. So it depends on what you want. Like this. So if you want to drop it like this, you are good to go. So guys, please, it's not hard just for you to get the different parts, the axial rod, the ring, and the tires. So please like and subscribe. Thank you guys, and also practice. Thank you.